Here are 5 important things that you need to consider before getting a solar installation. 1. You should always get 3 quotes. We'd always recommend getting at least 3 quotations and certainly get one from your local solar specialists. This is usually the local family business that has been installing in your area for 15 years and is dedicated to designing the very best solution for every roof. 2. Solar returns are tax-free. Unlike almost every other investment, solar returns are not subject to capital gains tax. So when you're comparing solar to other investments, you need to compare the after-tax returns. Check out our video to understand more about this. 3. Should you charge your electric vehicle from your solar and battery? Of course you can, but it might not always be the best use of your electricity. Instead, it can often be best to charge your car at night and export your solar for a profit during the day. Watch our video to find out why. 4. Are microinverters actually cost effective, even if you have shading? It's an interesting question, and if your solar installer is recommending microinverters or power optimizers, then I'd recommend watching this video to make sure you understand whether you actually need them or not. They may not add as much value as you think. 5. Should you oversize or undersize the battery storage if you're looking to maximize your return on investment? I'd actually recommend undersizing your battery storage and adding more on later if the data shows that it's a prudent investment. Watch this video to find out why. Oh, and if you're within 3 hours of Reading, please do get a quote from Spirit Energy. We've been installing bespoke solar and battery storage systems on houses and businesses for 15 years.